Hi and welcome to WannaGoBiking. I am just leaving my hotel here, Wald Hotel in Boizenburg. It's pretty nice, good food as well. So yeah, very happy with that. I think I'm going to have an interesting day. There's not as much air in my rear tire as I hoped, so let's see how that develops. It has rained and it will rain again this afternoon, so hope I can dodge a few of those rains. And my my electronic shifting is on very low, so I hope it still shifts until I reach Hamburg. Because yeah, I obviously forgot to bring my charging device, and I will have a headwind. So other than that, should be a splendid day on the bike. See you later. Sure, there's no need for speed bumps here. You really can't drive fast. I hope you can find a bakery. That'd be nice. Oh no. This is not good. How did I get that one wrong? Well, it's official. It says this is actually the cycle route. It's going to be a hiker bike. That's the first in a long time though, so I can't complain. Well, should be closing in on Geesthacht, and then I will try and figure out what the plan is going to be. If I can make it, of course, because yeah, still have a flat-ish tire. My rear derailleur is going to give out on me any second now. Impressive pipes here. Maybe they used to let to the now abandoned nuclear power plant that's around the corner, I don't know. Well, I'm glad I'm off that main road, but this is not ideal either. Well, as you can see, the Elbe is quite a bit larger here, which is a bit what I expected, but it took a long while for it to grow this wide. Now I'm very close to Geesthacht. It's just about crunch time to see what's possible. Maybe the rains will not be so bad, so I'll just have to double check all my radar apps that I have. And well, in the meantime, you can enjoy a bit of drone time, I think, whilst I think about my plans. See you later. Well, decided to give it a try. Cycle for Leeds another hour. Could be a wet proposition, but well, if that happens, then I'll take a train from the next town that has a train station, and if not, I'll just continue. Wish me luck. Well, it's really been pretty much the least inspiring part of the whole route so far today. I hope Hamburg brings a bit of redemption to that. Uh-oh. Yeah. Well, as you can probably tell, I've made it to the outskirts of Hamburg, and I hope to be able to find a very special tunnel. I think that should be the highlight of my day. Well, we'll see. Oh man, that moment has happened. My rear derailleur is no longer shifting, so I'm in a pretty low gear. I guess better that than a very tough gear, but yeah, it's unfortunate. Still got around 20k to go actually, so yeah. Oh well. Jesus Christ. So this is the old St. Pauli Elbe tunnel. I think it used to carry cars in a lift system, and now it's only for pedestrians and cyclists, so yeah, I'm very keen to find out more about it, so let's go and do it. Now, I hope you'll agree with me, that was absolutely super cool. Yeah, everybody's smiling at elevators, so yeah, super. Right, let's check out the harbour a bit, and I think there's the famous opera building nearby, and then slowly make our way to the lodging for tonight, and a nice cold drink and an ice cream. Sounds like a plan. I think there's something to each and every harbour city in the world. Just bring this dynamic and vibrance, and yeah, very cool. Well, here should be my lodging for tonight somewhere. So my host is going to come down, I hope, soon. I hope I can make a few more images in the city center tonight, but yeah, if that fails, then I'll just say thanks for watching. See you later. Bye. Well, unless I'm very much mistaken, that is the city hall. And I think that's a beautiful city hall. Now, this should conclude my trip. However, there's a bit of a bonus because tomorrow I'll be taking a boat from Hamburg to Cuxhaven, which should really be the end of the Elbe. But I'm not certain if I'll be able to shoot much. A, because I will be on the boat, and B, it's going to storm. So yeah, at least I should be dry. So there's something for that. Okay, I'm going to search for food. Thanks so much for watching this series, and I hope to see you in a next video or series. Until then, enjoy your rides and stay safe out there. Cheers.